Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 9 by 11 canvas and I will be using this. It is a frosting squirter. My husband found it actually at the grocery. I think it was just randomly hanging somewhere and he thought it would be cool to use. So it comes with different tips. This is the one I'm actually going to use. You can see that one. These are the other ones that it comes with, just a round one, and then this one's kind of a weird tip also. So I'm just going to put the colors in there and then squeeze it on the canvas. Now I already have a layer of white on the canvas. It is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. I have it in my bottle too if I need more. And then I have this phthalo blue that is from the Fine Touch, and then I have yellow, which is yellow medium, that is also from the Fine Touch, and then I have it is quinacridone magenta, and it's from Liquitex Basics. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I think I am just going to start with blue in the bottom. So I'll go ahead and start with that. So I'm not going to put any silicone or anything, so I'm just going to go with the next color, and that is the magenta. Okay, and now I'm going to top it off with the yellow. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on. Oops. Okay, and you can see the colors. It's kind of cool. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to squeeze it on right in the middle and see what happens. There's probably going to be a lot of air bubbles that we'll see. All the colors are probably underneath all that yellow. Okay, not really. All my paints, if I haven't told you, all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and a little bit of water. It actually looks kind of cool. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and tilt it now and see what happens where the color all went. Because I don't see any blue. Well, I see it. It's under there. Okay, I really like how this looks. I'm not going to move it anymore. Okay guys, we're going to go in for the close-up. These colors look amazing. It's very, very cool. I wasn't sure how the yellow was gonna do, if it was gonna muddy or you know, just get kind of yucky, but they created lines in there almost like a ring pour. It actually looks really cool. I don't know if you can see the colors there, how it's blended like that, and I love this little, just faint little line of yellow. Very, very cool. mean, that's actually darker than it looks right now. It's actually more of a darker purple. It looks very cool. Yeah, this is more truer up here. Alright, but I'm really happy with this. That turned out pretty cool. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and have a great day. Okay guys, I wanted you to see the painting all dry. As you can see, it did dry a little bit darker, but once I seal it, it will brighten it back up. I had some, you can see right here, some little air bubbles pop up, but the more I look at it, the more that this reminds me of a supernova, and then these little air bubbles are, you know, little stars or whatever, so I think it works well with this. I still really like this a lot, so I just wanted you guys to see it. And once I seal it, I'll probably show you guys again so you can see how the colors brightened back up. Alright, so there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.